Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English Chat, the show where learning English feels simple, friendly, and fun. My name is Jason.
And I'm Anna. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you're having a great day, morning, evening, whatever time it is where you are.
Today's episode is super helpful for beginners. We are talking about weather and seasons, how to describe them, how to talk about them, and how to use simple English sentences for everyday conversations.
That's right. Weather is something people talk about every single day. It's an easy topic, and learning the right phrases will help you start real conversations in English.
So sit back, listen, relax, and practice speaking with us. Ready?
Let's do it.
Okay, Anna. Let's start simple. How's the weather today?
Today, the weather is sunny and warm. The sky is blue, and there are just a few clouds. It feels really nice.
Yes, it's perfect for walking outside. So, listeners, repeat after us. Both. It's sunny today.
Great. Now try this.
Both. It's warm outside. Perfect. These simple sentences are super useful. Now, let's practice more weather words.
Let's list some common weather words. I'll say a word, and you repeat after me. Jason can also repeat to help them practice. Sunny,
Sunny,
rainy,
rainy,
stormy,
stormy,
cloudy,
cloudy,
snowy,
snowy,
windy,
windy,
hot,
hot,
cold.
cold.
Great job, everyone! Those are some of the most common weather words in English.
Now, let's try putting them into sentences. Anna, let's say some simple sentences and help listeners repeat. It is sunny today.
It is sunny today.
It's rainy and wet.
It's rainy and wet.
It's cloudy and gray.
It's cloudy and gray.
It's windy outside.
It's windy outside.
It is snowy today.
It is snowy today.
It's very hot. It's really cold.
Good job repeating, everyone. Okay, now let's learn to ask about the weather. Jason, ask me a question.
Sure. What's the weather like today?
It's warm and sunny.
And you, listeners, your turn. Try answering the question in your head or out loud. What's the weather like today?
You can answer, it's cloudy, it's raining, it's cold today, it's hot today. Lots of options.
Let's talk about temperature. These words are useful. Hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing.
Let's make sentences. It's hot today. I need a cold drink.
It's warm today. I can wear a t-shirt.
It's cool today. I need a light jacket.
It's cold today. I need a coat.
It's freezing. I need gloves and a scarf.
Weather is great for small talk. It's easy and friendly. Let's do an example conversation.
Hi, Anna. How are you?
I'm great, Jason. The weather is so nice today.
Yes, it's sunny and warm. Perfect day.
Exactly. What did you do this morning?
I went for a walk in the sunshine.
Hi, Speaker 1. You look cold.
Yes, it's freezing outside.
Oh no, did you bring your jacket?
I did, but I forgot my gloves.
Poor Jason.
Now, let's talk about the 4 seasons. This is important vocabulary. Spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter.
Let's talk about each one in simple English. Spring is warm and fresh. Flowers grow, trees become green, and the weather is usually sunny with some rain.
Things you can say. It's spring. It's warm and rainy. The flowers are blooming. Summer is hot and sunny. Many people go to the beach or travel during summer.
Things you can say. It's summer. It's very hot today. I love summer holidays. Autumn, or fall, is cool. Leaves change color. They turn red, yellow, and orange.
Things you can say. It's autumn. It's cool and windy. The leaves are falling. Winter is cold. In many places, it snows. People wear coats, scarves, and gloves.
Things you can say. It's winter. It's cold today. It's snowing.
Autumn is cool.
Winter is cold. Let's do a longer conversation about seasons. Listen carefully and try to speak along.
Anna, what is your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring. I love the flowers and the warm weather. What about you?
I like summer. I enjoy the sunshine and long days. I like going to the beach and swimming.
Summer is nice, but sometimes it's too hot for me.
Yes, that's true. Some days are very hot.
What about winter? Do you like winter?
I like winter when it snows. Snow is beautiful, but I don't like the cold wind.
Same. Cold wind is not fun at all.
And autumn is also nice. I love the colors of the leaves.
Me too. Orange, red, yellow. It looks beautiful outside.
Every season has something special, right?
Yes, absolutely.
You can also talk about how weather makes you feel. For example, I feel happy when it's sunny. Raining weather makes me sleepy. Cold weather makes me want hot chocolate. Windy days make me nervous. Snowy days make me excited.
Let's make a quick dialogue. Anna, how do you feel when it's sunny?
I feel very happy. I love sunny days. What about you?
Sunny days make me energetic.
How do you feel when it rains?
Rain makes me relaxed. I like the sound of rain. Let's learn more adjectives to describe weather. Bright, clear, foggy, humid, dry, icy. Let's use them in sentences. It's bright and sunny today. The sky is clear. It's foggy this morning. It's humid. The air feels wet. Today is dry. No rain at all. The roads are icy. Be careful.
Let's connect weather with activities. Go for a walk. Go to the beach. Have a picnic. Stay inside. Drink tea. Watch a movie. Make a snowman. go skiing. Stay warm inside.
Let's practice. When it's raining, I watch movies.
When it's sunny, I go to the park.
When it's snowy, I drink hot chocolate.
Weather is different around the world. Some places are hot almost every day. Some places are cold for many months.
For example, Thailand is hot and humid. Canada is cold and snowy in winter. The UK is rainy and cloudy many days. Australia has hot summers and warm winters.
Let's talk about that.
Anna, have you ever been to a very cold place?
Yes, I visited Canada in winter. It was freezing, and it snowed every day.
Wow, that must be fun.
Fun, but very cold. What about you?
I visited Thailand. It was very hot and humid, but I loved the food.
Yes, tropical countries are hot, but beautiful.
Let's learn some useful English expressions. It's raining cats and dogs means it's raining a lot. It's boiling hot means very hot. It's freezing cold means very cold. The sun is out means it's sunny. The sky is gray means cloudy.
Let's practice with a dialogue. Jason, how's the weather?
It's raining cats and dogs. I need an umbrella.
Oh no, it's boiling hot here, super warm.
Really? Lucky you. Time for repeat practice. Repeat after me. It's sunny today. It's raining right now. It's very cold. It's warm and nice. It's windy outside. It's snowing. What's the weather like? How's the weather today? My favorite season is summer. I love spring.
Let's do a final long conversation so you can really practice understanding natural English. Final practice dialogue.
Hey, Jason. Good morning.
Good morning, Jason. How's the weather today?
It's cool and cloudy. I think it might rain later. How about where you are?
It's sunny and warm here. A really nice day.
Lucky. What season is it for you right now?
It's spring. The flowers are blooming and the weather is beautiful. What about you?
It's autumn here. The leaves are red and orange. It looks amazing outside.
Autumn is so pretty. Do you like autumn?
Yes, I do. The temperature is perfect. Not too hot, not too cold.
Agreed. Do you have a favorite season?
I think my favorite season is summer. I love the sunshine and long days. What about you?
My favorite is spring. I like the colors and the fresh air.
Do you like winter?
I like winter when it snows, but I don't like it when it's windy and freezing.
Same. Cold wind is the worst. What weather do you dislike the most?
I don't like very hot weather. It makes me tired and sweaty.
I don't like heavy rain. It makes everything wet and difficult.
That's true, but every type of weather is interesting when we talk about it.
Exactly, and now our listeners can talk about it too. Thank you for listening to today's episode. We hope you practiced a lot of weather and season vocabulary.
Remember, talking about the weather is one of the best ways to start simple conversations in English.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and listen to this episode again if you want more practice. What's your favorite season and why? Tell us in the comments.